Hello everyone, so in this video, we'll be making a cotton candy machine. So, the parts needed are, well, first of all, a can. I'm using this coffee can. I'm going to use its top. Then some pliers and some screws probably. Then, most importantly, a motor, which is pretty important because you need something to spin the sugar into cotton candy. 5-minute epoxy. Then a hot glue gun. And some kind of a power supply to supply your motor of power. I'm gonna be using my laboratory power supply with adjustable voltage. So let's get started. You might ask me, why am I making a cotton candy machine? Well, first of all, cotton candy is just sugar basically, and like 1 kilogram of sugar costs 68 cents, almost €1, okay? And it costs like 1 or 2 euros. Like if you go to a park or something, there's like something going on, maybe there's a concert and there's cotton candy there, it costs like 1 or 2 like euros. It's not too expensive, but I mean, considering that can you make like hundreds of those with 1 kilo of sugar, that's a pretty good amount of money. Also, this guy, he's either Ukrainian, his name is Nikita. I used to watch him when I was 8, and he made a cotton candy machine out of scraps. So, and I'll be basically following his video. It was like, how many years ago? 9 years ago. So he basically showed that it's cheaper to make yourself the cotton candy machine. As you can see, it's just a can with some holes and a motor. He did that. He made some holes in a can, attached the can to a motor, and then he got a bowl. And then he got some sticks and he melted some sugar, poured it in, and there we go, cotton candy. And you know, honestly, if you go, sorry. If you go and you search up homemade cotton candy machine videos recently uploaded, there aren't many because most videos of a homemade cotton candy machine were like years ago. So I thought, let's make one because I didn't have the parts. Now I have some parts because I found them. So I thought to myself, maybe let's just make a cotton candy machine. This video probably won't get any views probably because like people don't really make cotton candy machines anymore because like nobody cares because it costs like 20 bucks maybe to buy one, a cheap one. But I thought, why should I buy a cotton candy machine when I can build one as that guy did? So I mean, let's try it. Okay, I have this lid from this coffee can, which I don't need. And I'll use this tiny little nail to make some holes in it. And I don't have a hammer, so I'll use some pliers. So I have this with a hole here, and I'll just place this mortar into here, and I'll, I guess, hammer it in. It doesn't fit. Okay, so after you're done making this spinny thingy, you need to get a bowl and make a hole in here, and then you have to get your motor and glue it on the bottom. Okay, so I've got my hot glue gun, which is heated up. Now all we have to do is attach this inside, so I'm gonna fit the wire through the hole in the bowl. Just gonna glue the wire together so that it doesn't come off of the solder joints. So this is my little kitchen here. A pot, some sugar, a hot plate, my power supply, and the cotton candy machine. And yes, I'm doing this outside because I'm scared that it will just shoot sugar everywhere. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so now I got just some water here, and I'm gonna add a lot of sugar, a lot sugar, because we need more sugar than water, I guess. Yeah, okay, that's enough. That's Пешки Буба. Опа. There we go, cotton candy. This is my cotton candy. It's not much, but I mean, I guess it's cotton candy. Problem is that the speed wasn't enough, so next time I'm gonna raise the voltage to not 12 volts but 30 volts, and I'm gonna be more careful on melting the sugar because I overheated it a little. So this was supposed to be an attempt at making cotton candy, but if you look, I did a lot of attempts, like 5 or 6, and it didn't work. I think maybe 4 actually. So now I have this lid from a jar, and I have a lot of holes in it, which are way smaller than the holes in the previous can, and I'm gonna try now. Cotton candy. I mean, I squished a little. I mean, it's probably twice as big because it's squished right now. What is that? Is that a bug or something? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, this turned out decent, I guess. No. So I tried this actually one more time before I'm gonna end this video. I actually tried this one more time, and look how much cotton candy it made. Yeah, that's cotton candy, alright. Still pretty good. Why?